What is good with y'all boys, man? It is your boy Hyzra coming back with another video, man. And today we are going to be reacting, okay? We're going to be reacting to a sport bike and a BMW fleeing Arkansas State Police. Now, I don't even know what is in store for this video because I'm watching it with you as it's happening. So we're going to get right into the video. I did speed it up a little bit to like 39 seconds because like this is where like the cop was sitting, whatever. Then he hops onto the highway. That's as far as I got, man. That's as far as I got. We're gonna be watching the video together, man. Let's get into it. So I think he's driving right here on the highway, and I think I don't know what happens. He's driving on the highway, and I'm pretty sure he sees somebody fly by, is what I'm thinking. Oh, the bike. The bike to the left and the BMW to the left. Oh, it's over. It's over, boys. It's over. Oh, they're gone. They're gone. Here it is. Here we go. Here we go. A dark green BMW. Dude, the bike is flying. The bike is flying, bro. That bike is going at least 120 miles an hour. 115 miles an hour. Okay, he's probably going 105, 110 right now. I have to say, I say this in almost every single one of my videos, man. If you guys are running from the cops, bro, just don't run from the cops. It's just not worth it, man. If you have a cop behind you, man, just pull over. Because if you're on a bike and you definitely don't know how to ride a bike and you don't know how to go that fast on a bike and you don't know how to control riding a bike like that, it's probably going to end bad for you boys, man. So I condone you to not run from the cops, man. I just don't understand why he looks back at the cop, revs his shit, and then just fucking tries to dip again, bro. Like, yeah, you're on a bike. Like, I know you're on a bike. I know you can get away, but like, you're right there. You're right there. All you gotta do is stop, bro. Come on. He's gone. He's gone. He's gone. He's not catching him right here. There's no way he's catching him. He's gone right now. He is gone right here. There's no way this cop is catching him. There's no way. It's straight road. It's straight road right here. He's gone. He's gone. There's no way this cop is going to catch him. He is gone. Dude, he's gone. There's no way. There's no way dude, he's gone. That cop's going 110. That bike was going at least 120, 115. There's no way. There's no way this cop even has a chance of catching this bike. There's absolutely no way. The video's over. The video's over. There's no way. He's gone. Dude, he's gone. He's gone. He's gone. He's gone. Not unless he sees him still. I don't see him. If y'all boys see him, man, tell me. Because I don't see that bike anymore. That bike is history. Bro, I can't see him at all. I genuinely cannot see him at all. He's gone, bro. Boys, the video is like over at this point. He is not catching this bike. There is no way. Hey, Desmond Benson. Hey, buddy. It's over. All right. You lost him. You lost him. You lost the BMW. They're gone. Okay. They're gone, buddy. I'm sorry. They are history, pal. You tried. You know, it was a good run for you, I guess. But you're done. I'll let the video play out, see if he sees him, but yeah, that bike is completely gone. There's no way. There's no way that bike is completely gone.
Somewhere around break and he might have crashed. I'm gonna check. Okay.
He's gone. He's gone, boys. He is gone. He's completely gone. All right, boys. Hey, if you like these type of videos, man, give me a like on the video. Comment down below what you think about that chase, and subscribe if you are new, man, because I do have videos like this coming out more and more every single week, man. It is a new year. Happy New Year to everybody, man. It's been your boy Hyzra. I hope y'all have a fantastic day. I got another video like this coming out soon. Probably in like the next 2 or 3 days. I'm out, man. See y'all in the next one.